Vente til folket har drukket litt mer, tror du ikke?
Skal vi ta det litt senere?
Ja, litt senere.
Nei!
Skal ikke det så sent?
Oi, skal ikke det så sent? Ok.
Jeg vet ikke, kan du? Jeg kan prøve på den i hvert fall.
Ja, han kjører den. Han er mer sånn spontan. For å si det sånn, vi tar det litt sånn tøft. Han er veldig flink på spontane ting. Han kom nesten som en spontan hort. Han er kjapp i svingen, for å si det sånn.
Kjapt å hoppe i svingen.
Ja, det er sånn var det. Beklager.
Apropos abort, det prøver min far enda på. Men, Dear penis, I don't think I like you anymore. You used to watch me shave, all you do is stare at the floor. Oh, dear penis, I don't like you anymore. Used to be you and me, a paper towel in a dirty magazine. That's all we needed to get by. Now it seems that things have changed. I think that you're the one to blame, dear penis. I don't like you anymore. And he sings, dear honk, I don't think I like you anymore. When you get to drinking, you put me places I've never been before. Oh honk, I don't like you anymore. Why can't we just get a grip on our man-to-man relationship? Now tell me truly how we feel. If we put our heads together, we just stay home forever, dear penis. I think I like you after all. Oh, and honk while you shave and shave my balls.
Det tror du spontant. Det tror du fattig, for å si det sånn.